Konnichiwa, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and I'm so excited to show you my new vlogging camera. So for the longest time I've been vlogging using my phone and yeah, it's been amazing, but also I thought of maybe having a proper camera to use for vlogging and also doing still photography because I just want it. I thought it's a good investment also because I really want to have nice shots and nice videos whenever I'm doing vlogging, so why not? Yeah, and anyways, I didn't get the expensive one. I got one of the best ones, I think. Like, there's been a lot of consideration that I did, research, reading of articles, reviews, feedback about the product, and finally I made up a decision, and so I made the order. Okay, so are you excited? I got it. So here it is. It came today. Thank you, Amazon. I'm so excited. Okay, now let's open it. I'm not going to tell you what I get until we open the box. So let's see. You know, for a lot of people who are doing vlogs, a camera isn't really the most important thing or part of or factor for vlogging. For me, it's more of the content that you're making, but it would be nice if you have the proper tools to use for vlogging, because it helps you, you know, it helps you motivate. For me, I don't know with others, but me, I get motivated if I have like the right tools to use for vlogging. Okay, so are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Of course, Amazon's packaging is like loaded with a lot of stuff in it. So, oh my god, I'm so happy. Here it is. Yeah! So, I got the Fujifilm X-A7. Yeah! As you can see, it's this. This is the box. I got it for a nice price from Amazon. I checked physical stores and made a comparison between getting it from Amazon versus getting it from a physical store, and apparently the ones from Amazon are cheaper by almost 10,000 yen, or maybe $100 almost. So I thought of maybe getting it from Amazon because Amazon is trusted. I don't think they will just be, you know, selling something that's not working properly. And anyway, you can always have a return if it's not going to work. So now let's go back to the unboxing of
the Fujifilm X-A7.
Okay. So it came in this packaging, and yeah. So just want to share something. Like, before I decided to buy the XA7, I was considering of having the XT200, I think, which is the latest in the Fujifilm camera X series, but it's way more expensive than this one. And of course, with the current, you know, thing that's happening, I don't think it's smart to spend a lot of money. But I know I spent something for this, and I spent some money for this camera, but it's not that expensive. And for me, this is a good investment also, since I'm really taking vlogging seriously. I do. So I thought of getting a camera for myself, and I think it's every vlogger's dream, you know. So let's open it. By the way, disclaimer, this video won't be a review video of the camera. This is just purely unboxing, and maybe let's take some shots later, and I'm just going to incorporate it in this video. Okay, so I'm going to open it now. So when you open it, this is what you can see. Yeah, first you can get the strap. Let's open it. Okay. Yeah, it's a nice strap. Now I'm feeling like I'm a professional blogger. Okay, manuals, of course, which we can read later. Or maybe if I just need to read it. What's this? Well, this warranty is valid only in Japan. Okay. I'll do with you later. So out with the paperworks. Let's open it. Okay, let's take it slowly, okay? And of course, the main unit itself. So, the XA7 series, or the XA7 camera, has 4 different colors. You have like mint green or something. You have dark gray, silver, and camel. But I decided to get the silver one because it's definitely my style. I'm a black and white kind of guy. Okay, so, and silver probably is the closest of, you know, with the types of colors that I really like. So yeah, this is the main unit. So it's really, really good. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, so nice. So now maybe we can have a closer look with the main unit. So I think from the videos that I've seen, the camera screen is wider now compared to the previous models. So yeah, and also one of the good things about this camera is it's a fully articulating camera. So if you're going to take shots like this, like, you know, like from top shot, you can just adjust the screen so you can have a better visual of the shot that you're making. And also, definitely, it's perfect for vloggers like me because you can shoot videos while you have the screen facing you. Yeah? Okay. So maybe later, let's turn it on and try to see how it works. Okay. Okay. Cool. What else? I think this is one of the most interesting parts of the camera is that now they have this, I don't know how you call this because again, I'm not an expert, but this is where you can mount your microphone or a flash that you can, yeah, mount in here. Yeah. What else? Like on the side, this is where your charger goes in, and if you can also attach it. So that's like, yeah, this is for charging. And oh yeah, an HDMI port, so you can probably connect it to your television or computer and yeah, just what do you call that, mount it or just plug it. I don't know what the word is, but anyways. Okay, and this is where you put in the battery. Let's open it. How do you open this? Okay. I think I'm going to break it like within the next 5 minutes. Okay, and let's try to put the battery in. No, it's not working. Is it this way? Is it? No. I'm wrong. I'm telling you, I'm gonna break this thing without even using it. Close. Okay. Yeah. So let's try to turn it on and see. Ow! It's amazing. So I think the first screen will ask you to pick like which language you want to use. In that case, I don't have any other language that I want to use but English. So I'm going to use English. Where's English? English. Good news, no English. No, I'm kidding. You just have to scroll it. So I used this I saw this one video. The speaker or the one doing the video was saying that, or referring this thing as the nipple. I'm like, okay, I'm not sure if you should be saying something like that while videoing. Okay, so of course we're going to pick English. Start menu, pairing registration, pair with smartphone. Images can be easily transferred to smartphone by pairing. So that's a good one, because you can pair this with your smartphone. You just have to download the Fujifilm app. Fujifilm app helps you control your camera. Like, you can take photos and also transfer the photos or videos directly from your camera to your phone instantly. So that's a really big factor for vloggers like me, who just snaps videos or pictures and then wants to upload them on Instagram or something, right? So it's really, really nice. Yeah. Okay. So maybe later I'll set this up. But yeah, this video is already taking too long. As I promised, this is just an unboxing video. I'm not an expert, so I don't want to give like feedback or impression too much. But I'm happy that I already have this camera. I'm probably going to incorporate a video later, test video, using this thing, and add it in this video. So before that, let's see later. Yeah, let's check. Okay, but I'm really happy with it. You know, it's good. Yeah, nice. Okay, next let's check these videos and shots that I've